Mistake from Bolly. Townsend now. Townsend. And that's a really good save.
Decent strike by Milivojevic. Petrosio just has to help it on its way.
Bennett and Bolly among those showing interest here. Cavalero's corner, Bolly with a free header, and Doherty coming in, and Wolves almost scored the opening goal, having offered so little.
Right, it just sums up Willy Bolly's evening so far. He's a top player, but he's got to be scoring. Simple.
It is Van Aanholt to take it. Seko seemed to be caught by surprise there.
It's a scrappy finish at the end of a very scrappy half.
Van Aanholt, Zaha. Wolves getting bodies in the way. Van Aanholt. Ayew has put it away. His first goal for Crystal Palace, and it could mean so much. It could be a telling contribution to the cause. Bolly. Jimenez. Well, we know Ruben Neves can hit them. Deflected, and Guaita is called upon in stoppage time.
First shot that he's had to save. First shot on target.
Zaha. Oh, he's been brought down by Ryan Bennett, and that is a penalty for Palace.
Well, I don't think Wolves can have any complaints. It looked very, very clear-cut.
It's Milivojevic, and it's a familiar outcome when he takes a penalty. It's a happy new year for Crystal Palace, who certainly deserve this, and Wolves have got what they deserve too.
Subscribe now, only on beIN Sports Connect.